factor completely, and we have expression x cubed minus 15x squared minus 54x. So let me copy our expression x cubed minus 15x squared minus 54x. When we have to factor, first we have to check if we have something common in these three expressions. We have x cubed, 15x squared, 54x. So we see that x, and x repeats in every expression. So we can factor x, the lowest power, of course. So we have x cubed, x squared, and x in first power. Always we have to choose the lowest power. So this is x to first power, we don't have to write. We have to open parentheses, and in parentheses we have to write whatever left. We have at the beginning x cubed. So we have to multiply x by x squared to x to get x cubed. When we multiply expressions with the same base, we copy the base and we add exponents. So here's invisible 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Everything is the same. Minus 15 we have to copy, and we have here x squared. At the beginning we have, before parentheses, only x. So we have to multiply x times x to get x squared. Minus 54 we copy, and we have only x here. So 54 times x give me 54x. So everything is okay. We factorize x. And next we have to look what we have inside parentheses. We have x squared. So we have to try to factorize this quadratic expression. What we can do? First, always check if you can find two numbers which you multiply and you get negative 54, and when you add these two numbers, you will have coefficient before x, negative 15. So these numbers are 3 and negative 18. When you multiply 3 times negative 18, you will have negative 54. And when you add 3 plus negative 18, you will have negative 15. So x we copy, and now we rewrite expression in parentheses that this is x plus 3 times x minus 18. And we factor completely our expression. We cannot do here anything. This is my solution.